Namaste.
And welcome back to our channel. With Raksha Bandhan just around the corner, I think it's the perfect time to think about the gift for your sibling. So I am here to introduce you to 3 different products from Amrutam that you can gift to your sibling this Raksha Bandhan. So let's not waste the time and dive into the video. Due to the changing weather conditions and the experiments that we do on our hair needs some pampering. So here is a perfect gift that you can gift to your sibling, and that's Amrutam's Kuntal Care Hair Spa. It is filled with bhringraj, hibiscus and amla. It helps in nourishing your hair and strengthen the roots. Next up, we have something truly special for all the skincare lovers, and that's Amrutam's Kumkumadi Oil. This elixir of Ayurvedic ingredients like saffron, sandalwood, and turmeric is designed to nourish and illuminate your skin. It's a luxurious gift that will surely leave your sibling's skin feel radiant and rejuvenated. Last but not the least, we have Amrutam's Face Clean Up, because who doesn't love a good skincare routine? This product is filled with magic ingredients like almonds, aloe vera, and haldi, which helps in skin detox, prevents acne, and removes tan. This product is an ideal gift for someone who is a skincare freak and deserves extra pampering. And here are 3 fantastic products from Amrutam that you can gift to your sibling this Raksha Bandhan. Remember, it's the thought and the love that counts the most. So go ahead and pick a product that resonates your siblings' preferences and choice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye. See you again.